Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the next question, question number 12 of JEE Advanced Physics Paper 2017. Students, let us solve next question, question number 12. It says iodine is an isotope of, this I-131 is an isotope of iodine that beta decays to an isotope of xenon with a half-life of 8 days. So half-life with 8 days, a small amount of serum labeled with iodine is injected in the blood of a person. Small amount of serum labeled with iodine is injected in the blood of person. The activity of the amount of iodine injected was 2.4 10⁵ becquerel. It is known that the injected serum will get distributed uniformly in the bloodstream in less than half an hour. In less than half an hour, the whole of this will get uniformly distributed in the bloodstream after 11.5 hours. So half hour it will take to get uniformly distribute that, and after 11.5 hours means almost 12 hours, because half an hour for that and 11.5 hours for this. So after 12 hours, 2.5 milliliter of blood is drawn. This much of blood sample is drawn from the person's body, and it gives an activity of 115 becquerel. So this is a becquerel per unit volume. So becquerel per volume, and the total volume of the blood in the person's body in liters is in liters. To find the answer in liter. And what is given? E raised to x is 1 plus x, and obviously e raised to minus x is 1 minus x. Mod x is less than 1, and log 2 is 0.7. Now we know that the activity formula is, if we talk about the number of nuclei decay law, n is n naught e raised to minus lambda t. So based on this, the activity is n naught e raised to minus lambda t. This a corresponds to activity at the time t, and this is the activity at time t equals to original activity. This original activity was 2.4 10⁵ becquerel. This was injected at time, and volume is V naught. This is activity per volume, initial activity per volume, and finally it was 115 becquerel per volume is 2.5. This into e raised to the power minus lambda, because lambda is ln2 divided by t. This one you can put that value directly there. So minus ln2 divided by t into t. T is the given t is 12 hours, which is in terms of day, because this is in day 8 days. So this will be half day. So I'll put half day here. Okay. Now if I put t equals to 8 over there and solve it, this is 115 divided by 2.5. This is 2.4 10⁵ V naught, and this becomes 16. So 1 upon e raised to ln2 divided by 16. So if I cross multiply that, I'll get V naught equals to 2.5 will come down there, 115. Earlier it was 2.4 10 raised to 5, and that will remain, that is e raised to log of 2 divided by 16. Now, or you can write like that, 1 minus this, whatever value is this. This is a very small number. So this is actually e raised to minus ln2 divided by 16. This is nearly 0.693 by 16. So e raised to minus 0.693 divided by 16. So this number is less, so I can write this as if you solve this and putting those values, V naught, we are asked the total volume of the blood in person's body. So if you solve this, after solving, you will get the answer in 5000 ml, which is 5 liter. After solving this, you will get 0.7. This he has taken 0.7, so you can take 0.7 here, 0.7 divided by 16. How much that comes out to be? I just want to help you. 0.7 divided by just have a 0.04. So let me just help you do that. This comes out to minus 0.7 divided by 16. That comes out to be e raised to minus 0.04. So this comes out to be like that. And 0.04 e raised to minus x. This is e raised to minus x, which is 1 minus x. So this becomes 1 minus 0.00004. This is 0.06, 0.996. Okay, this is 0.96. If I take that, this 0.96 over there, this whole thing is 0.96. I'll multiply there. Then this one, let me just solve it for you. 2.5 into 2.4 into 10 raised to 5 divided by into 0.96 divided by 115. That's all. And I just multiply the numbers. Just multiply the numbers for you. That comes out to be 2.5, 2.4, that 2.5 into 2.4, that comes out to 6 divided by, so 6 into 0.96, that comes out to 5.76 divided by 115, that comes out to be nearly 0.0500869, something like that, into 10 raised to 5. Multiply. That comes out to be 5008 ml, which is approximately equal to 5 liter. 5 liter. So this is how you solve this, and you'll get 5 liter. This is the answer is 5. In liter, answer is 5. Okay, so just use this and get the answer. Okay, thank you.